Okay, so hello guys. Today we talk about introduction to CSS. So let's get started. So first question is arise why we use the CSS and where we use the CSS. So when we develop the website, we need a style in the web page. That time we need a CSS. So basically, CSS stands for cascading style point. Is like CSS describe how HTML element are to be presented on the screen. CSS can control the layout of multiple web pages alert ones include adding visual like color, font, layout, and CSS syntax like this. Let we are open the VS Code and let's see. So here I am make the two file HTML demo.html and style.css. Okay, so here you need to simple press here and now write something paragraph like I'm taking here this is a paragraph. This is a paragraph. Okay, now this is a running on live. Like open this. Okay, so this is running on live. This comes like this. No color, no background color. Okay, now I want to design this. So simple. First, we need to add the this style.css. Okay, so simple. Write here a link and it's giving us a suggestion. Okay, so here the style.css automatically comes, and if you are change this file name, so you can change here also. Okay, first thing you need to add the CSS file. After adding the CSS file, write something here, whatever you need to design a web page. So like writing here one paragraph. This is a paragraph. Okay, so simple. When I see this, so this is a paragraph. Now I want to give the color of this on this. So simple. I'm going to here and P is a tag where we are using here. So that's why we designed to this paragraph. So we need to uh, uh, write here P and then simply give the color, whatever color you need. Like I'm taking here a red, simple take a red, and now save this and reload the page. Actually, this is the live, so it's automatically reloaded. Okay, so as you can see this is the paragraph comes in a red. Okay, so this is the syntax simple. And if we talk about the type of CSS, so this is the like three type: inline, internal, and external. When working on the company, then we use the external CSS. So how we use the inline, internal, and external, we are covered in incoming videos. And like when we using a inline, so we simply define here a style something, and when we use the internal, so then we use this style tag, and then we type give here. And if you use the external, right now I'm using the external like make the your CSS file and define here CSS file. Okay, and I hope you like the video. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe channel. Thanks for watching the video.